laws of set operations. So let us see some important law that is we know already. So commutative law, associative, distributive, and De Morgan's laws. Let us apply on this set theory also. Okay, let us see one by one. First, we will see the commutative laws. So in commutative laws, let us apply this set theory. When you see this, for any two sets A and B, okay, let us take with one example, set A and B. So examples and all I won't tell you, just let me write the properties first directly. Okay, for any two sets, that is union of set is a commutative here. That means A union B is equals to B union A. Okay, this is for any two sets. We take for any two sets A and B. So A union B is equals to B union A. That means union of sets is a commutative. Next, that means any two sets you take, whatever the answer you get A union B, you get same for B union A. And intersection of sets also is a commutative. Intersection. So A intersection B is equals to B intersection A. Okay, from commutative laws, A union and intersection both are commutative laws. That's right. And next, associative law. So when you see this associative, in associative laws, let's take for any three sets here. So let us take for any three sets, let A, B, and C. Okay, if there are A, B, C are three sets, then union of sets is associative. Even union, that is A union B union to C is equals to A union B union C. Okay, next bracket. And same way, the intersection of sets is associative. Okay, intersection also is associative here. That is A intersection B intersection C is equals to A intersection B intersection C. Okay, with examples I want to prove, just showing the property directly. So commutative and associative, that's way. That is union and intersection both. Now let us see distributive laws. So when you observe this, in distributive laws, same, let us take three sets. Okay, for any three sets A, B, and C. For these three sets, the union is a distributive over intersection here. Okay, that is the union is distributive over intersection. So A union B intersection C, that is equals to A union B intersection A union C. Okay, this satisfies LHS to RHS. That is union is a distributive over intersection. Similarly, the intersection is distributive over union also. Same, intersection is a distributive over union. That is A intersection, okay, B union C is equals to A intersection B union A intersection C. These are distributive ones. And one more De Morgan's laws, let us see on this. So when you see the De Morgan's laws, here for any two sets A and B, let us take two sets. For any two sets, okay, A and B. Here you can see the complement, that is the complement of their union is equals to intersection of their complements. Let me write with example. A union B complement. So union B whole complement, that is equals to A complement intersection B complement. That means the complement of their union, okay, is equals to intersection of their complements. Similarly reverse, that is complement of their intersection. Okay, A intersection B complement is equals to union of their complements. So A intersection union B intersection. Okay, these properties will satisfy. So along with this, let us see some more important properties you can remember. There is three simple formulas. For any two sets A and B, n of A union B, we can apply these properties in the problems. Okay, let us see next problems. N of A union B is equals to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. N of A is number of elements in A. Okay, number of elements in A union B is equals to number of elements in A plus number of elements in B minus number of elements in A intersection B. So if A and B are disjoint sets, then only A union B is equals to n of A plus n of B. That is. And similarly, if you take for any three sets, then n of A union B union C. This is equals to n of A. Once you can add all. So n of B plus n of C. From this you can subtract two individuals. That means n of A intersection B minus n of B intersection C minus n of A intersection C plus n of A intersection B intersection C. This also you can apply for any three sets. Okay, and let's see one more, that is A minus B union C, okay, is equals to A minus B intersection A minus C. This would satisfy this condition. And similarly A minus B intersection C, okay, this equals to A minus B in intersection, right? So union A minus C. Just you can remember these properties we can use in the problems. So these are the laws of set operations. So okay, based on these formulas we can use some problems also. Next we will see the Venn diagram, how to use the Venn diagram. Next we can see the problems related to the set theory.